YouTube fam, what is good? Welcome back to my channel. This is a very special video. If you read the title of this video, you know what you're getting into. Let's not waste too much time. Drop the intro. The Off-White Jordan 4 sales dropped on July 25th. I didn't get it on the sneakers app, of course. We all took L's, most of us took L's. Then I sat on it for a minute. I'm like, do I really need this shoe? Looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, looking at eBay, all that stuff like that, the prices were insane. And I sat on it for a couple of weeks. I'm like, do I need this shoe? Do I really need this shoe? And the answer was yes. I'm glad that I have a small shoe fund that I just put away just in case of this time right now. Now I won't tell you how much I actually pay for this shoe, but I'm just gonna say, go ahead and go to StockX and GOAT.com and see exactly how much this shoe is running. I just had to have it. So without further ado, the Off-White Jordan 4 sales. This bad boy right here, I had to have. Now these particular Off-White Jordan 4s are exclusively a women's shoe. Now, what Nike did, they made extended sizes for people with big feet, like your boy. I ended up picking these up in 13.5 in the women's, which is a 12 in the men. So the good thing about my feet, depending on the shoe, I can wear a 12, 12 and a half, 13. When I put these guys on, I actually got the 12, the 13.5, 12 because they're a little cheaper than the 13s. And when I put them on, they felt really good, really true to size. I have room in the shoe, so that's cool. Let's talk about the shoe for a second. Every Off-White that you've probably seen in the past, it's all about the deconstruction and the unfinished approach to the shoe. And so you're not getting anything less than that on this particular shoe. And I'm gonna point out some of the details that I love, what kind of attracted me to the shoe. Let's start with the colorway. It's a cell colorway, but I basically call it a cream. This is cream to me. Really like the details that they put on this shoe. From like the chain, usually on the Jordan 4 tag with the chain here, it would be silver, but they made it to sell that cream cell color as well. You got the cream color Off-White tag, which is nothing new to the Off-White series line, whether it be green, whether it be red, whether it be black. One thing I like about this shoe is that you have these translucent different aspects of the shoe, whether it be here, whether it be in the back, which I really love. I didn't really care about like how they went translucent here and then they faded it into that gray. It's cool. I could have did without it. I'm actually happy that they went with the Nike logo on the back instead of the Jordan logo on the back. Really like that as well. You have some translucent parts in the shoe. The netting is translucent as well. The front part of the shoe is translucent as well. And then we go on to the deconstruction of the shoe and the unfinishing of the shoe. So huge fan of the raw edges here on the top of the tongue, around the sides of the opening of the shoe. You have this gum bottom here. And the gum bottom's kind of translucent a little bit. That gum translucent bottom here in that cream colorway. The mud guard here with the unfinished mesh. You have that unfinished approach here on top of the shoe. One thing about this shoe that I really love was the nubuck. The nubuck feels really good. It feels like it's real high quality nubuck. There's some shoes out there that nubuck, it just feels really cheap. Not on this shoe. Not on this shoe. This feels really good. So the bottom of the shoe, you have that cream translucent in certain areas, cream cell color here at the bottom here as well. And then you have this surprisingly, it's a mix between that like minty Tiffany blue look. So I like that little accents they have on the shoe at the bottom. That's really cool. Last but not least though, this shoe comes with 4 different shoestrings. So you have the cream look here, you have the sail look, you have that minty look here, that Tiffany blue that matches the bottom of the shoe, and then you have the black. And I don't know, I'll see how that looks, but I don't know if I will match this black with this cream look. I've heard that they're gonna have the Off-White 4 breads that's coming out. I don't know if I'm gonna get those because again, I don't really care for a closet full of Jordans now in my day, but that's just me. That's just me. I do support Virgil. I know he's had some things. He's been in the news lately about certain things that he's done, but I would say being a Black designer, I think it's important to support one another in the Black community. So I have no problem buying off-whites, but I have a closet full of off-whites. So I'm gonna kind of chill maybe the rest of the year. I've seen some shoes that is coming out soon in the fall, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm just happy I got these. I know I didn't get them on the release date. It took a couple of weeks for me to get these, and I actually pulled the trigger on these, but I'm happy I did it. I definitely will be wearing this. Not the type of person that's going to just keep my stuff in the box. I will be wearing these, guys. YouTube fam, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in once again. If this is your first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my uploads. If you are returning, make sure you hit the like button. It'll really help the growth of this channel. Until next time, guys, I'm super happy about this, but until next time, guys, peace.